Hey guys, I wanted to make this quick tutorial on how to do the Hershey bar personalized wrappers that you see all over the place. You can easily do them yourself, or if you don't have time, you can always pay someone to do it for you, but it's pretty quick for the Hershey bars. I've only done the Hershey bars in chip bags, and today I'm going to discuss the Hershey bars, and I'm using the Hershey almonds. So let's get started. First, you would want to go to Etsy and hold on. Oh, my camera gonna fall over. Sorry. Okay. First, you want to get to Etsy, and then in the search bar, type in Hershey bar wrapper. And then a lot of different vendors are going to pop up, a lot of different shops do them. Some of them are instant download, and I don't think you can personalize them yourself, or you may be able to. And then some of them require you to leave in the notes to the seller section. Let's see if we can, like this one is the one I ordered about a year ago. I use this shop, JC Baby Cakes, for this Valentine wrapper, and she asks you to leave the name in the notes to the seller section that you're going to put on the candy bar, and then she'll email it to you. I think she emailed it to me the same day, if I'm not mistaken, but some of them you want to read the description. It says ready to ship in 1 to 2 business days, but most of the time they send it to you the same day. Just make sure you read the description so you're not disappointed, or you're not looking for it quicker than they said they're going to ship it. And like she says, weekends and holidays are not included in turnaround time. So be sure you read everything. And she'll send the customized order to your email. It won't show up in Etsy, I don't think. So anywho, you're gonna click whether you want a PDF or a JPEG, and I chose the PDF. And when she emailed me, it came straight to my phone, and I can just print from my phone. Or if you really want a great quality print, go to FedEx. They have the best prints ever. It looks so freaking good. So they I use them to print with, and of course it's gonna look better than your inkjet. But if you don't care about all that, you just want something quick, for a party, just print it on your inkjet printer, and nobody cares really. But if you're selling them, I really think you should have a good printer or use FedEx to print with. So you choose PDF, and then buy it now, yada yada yada, and then go from there. And then she's going to email it to you. Or let's find another seller where it's like an instant download. My internet is acting crazy, sorry. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's find a instant download. Rock Your Ugly Sweater candy. That should be instant. Yeah, you see that it says instant download, PDF printable. And so when you buy it, you'll go to, it'll take a few minutes, and then you'll go to your account, purchases and reviews, and then you'll download the files. It'll show up and ready to download. And then you'll download it, save it, and just print it. Simple. So I've already I'm gonna click off of this. I've already printed mine. As you can see, I printed it out, and it's enough for 2 wrappers on 1 sheet. So I'm going to cut it out, And what I'm going to use today is this to hold it. But I usually use double-sided tape, and I don't know where my double-sided tape is. So this stuff is going to do the trick today. I got that sticky. This is called Crafter's Tape. And I got it at Joann's. And I got it at Hobby. This one, I got it from Hobby Lobby. I just have this stuff stashed. And I'm going to move this out the way. And you can see how I do. It's not hard. Very easy. Oh, my phone is going to fall over. Okay. If you got a paper cutter, that's even better because you'll get straight lines. But I'm just going to use this today. These are great for like bridal showers, birthday parties, Christmas parties, Valentine Day, weddings, wedding favors. Yeah, like the little Hershey kisses. I might try that one day, but not today. I'll try that. And like the little Hershey, the little bite-sized Hershey bars. You can do that. And get your bridesmaids to help if you want to use it for a wedding. More hands, the better. Oh, I'm cut that crooked. See? Okay. I would normally cut all that blue line off, but this is just giving you guys an idea. So, first thing, make sure it's gonna fit. And it is. I think the Hershey's without the almonds are a little bit wider, if I'm not mistaken. But these are gonna, you wanna make sure your nutrition label goes over. Don't tape it the wrong way. So I got my tape. Just roll you some on there. And try to center it. Rub it. And put you some more tape on here. Lay it down. Add just some more. And voila. It's crooked. But it's no biggie because I'm just showing you guys. There it is.